Hmm. So basically, these are the restrictions which you have to follow nowadays due to this pandemic. We have to take proper care of ourselves, because if you will be lenient, then what will happen? You have to suffer. This disease is actually terrible. Now let's come to the point. Today I'm going to explain you one interesting story. How many of you have read detective stories? Like, have you read books of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, Sherlock Holmes, or have you watched movies based on that? Hmm? Hmm. Have you ever seen? Yeah, if you have seen, if you haven't, then please do watch some good movies. Some good books are also available. E-books are also available. So you just go through some of the books. In fact, summary, if you cannot go through the entire novel, the short form is also available, average form. So you can go through there also. Read some detective stories. That so this story is also little bit. I will not say the entire story is all about that, but very interestingly, it has been executed and written. Story is very plain and simple, but climax is actually awesome. I will not tell you what happened at the end of the story, but you are going to thoroughly enjoy this. We have only three characters in the story. That is again very interesting, that you will see that how these three characters they are working, and most importantly, the protagonist of the story. If you have ever read or seen or watched movies on these topics, then you will really feel that each and every moment as the story started moving ahead, you will have lot of inquisitivity that what happened next. Okay, so this story is also like that. Written in very simple form, you will see that the use of language is very good, very simple. You will love to read each and every line, and it's very small also. So, and as I have told you, the supplementary reader, this book is always good for reading. The story time. You are going through these books, you will really have that story time feeling. You will relax and enjoy every bit of it. So let's start the story. Now, the midnight visitor. As you can see on your screen, Ozabel, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol, demanding the report. Does Ozabel outwit him? This is the question. I don't want to give you your answer, because if I will, then I will be a spoiler. Now, see, first of all, I would like to tell you about the author, Robert Arthur. He was actually a writer of speculative fiction, known for his work with the Mysteries Traveler radio series and for writing The Three Investigators, a series of young adult novels. Arthur was honored twice by the Mystery Writers of America with an Edgar Award for the Best Radio Drama. He also wrote scripts for television, such as The Twilight Zone and Alfred Hitchcock's Show. This is one, Alfred Hitchcock, that used to be very interesting shows. I still remember, or yes, radio shows, television shows, and then you will. So if you will ever get an opportunity, you can go through these things. Okay. Now we are going to, as I told you, we will be discussing about these entire story. First of all, I would love. मैं पूरा story का answer नहीं बताऊंगी. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not enjoy the story. Rather, I would like to tell you about things which you will really like about this story. First of all, theme. What is the theme of the story? The story highlights the theme, yeah, that wisdom is more powerful than other weapons. Wisdom, your wise brain, and you have to be quick-witted. Very मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, you are actually trapped in that circumstances where you don't have to time to plan something. Generally detectives जो होते हैं कभी कभी वो plan करके काम करते हैं. Yes, they plan and then they execute. But sometimes you don't even get a chance to plan. You don't have a time to plan. At that time, what you have to be? You have to be spontaneous, you have to be quick witted, and you have to be decisive. So this story is all about wisdom and the decision he take quickly. Three characters. Ozabel, his intelligence is highlighted in the story. And it is also based on the theme that one should not judge a person by merely his appearance. Appearance can be deceptive. That means sometimes what happens? We are in this, this show off world nowadays, specifically in this new era. We actually started judging people on the basis of their appearance, which is so wrong. You should never do that because appearance can be deceptive. Okay, and Ozabel is fat, lazy in the story, the way he has been presented and portrayed by the writer. But still you will see that he's very, very intelligent. Okay, now as I told you, we have three characters in the story. First of all, we have Ozabel. He is the protagonist, the hero of the story, and he is the secret agent. But his appearance, as I told you, did not match his profession. Why? That also I will tell you. He is actually sharp, and as I told you, he is quick-witted. He had confidence to escape from any situation. He has self-confidence. He is decisive, but his physical appearance is not so appealing. He is short, fat, okay, as well as lazy also. And as we all know that secret agents, they are believed to be very strong. They are believed to be very smart, okay, like our characters in the movies and other novels. But he is not like that. Then we have Max, another secret agent, a weak, slender man. His features, if you will go through, you will find out that he's cunning, crafty like a fox, clever, okay? He did not, you in the entire story, you will see that he did not seem so dangerous, even if he has a gun in the story, okay? But he has no confidence. He has no mind. He is not so smart. He can be easily trapped with the words, okay? So this is, and then we have Fowler. Fowler, he is a young writer who is writing books related to romantic aspects of life. But for the very first time, he decided to switch to another genre, topic, okay? And so he did, this time he wanted to write a book on detective. And that is why he had heard about Ozabel. Although in his own mind, he has formed a picture of detective like James Bond, okay? And he has always imagined that detective should be young with attractive personality. He assumed a detective to be surrounded by, equipment related to, different type of, adventure. But when he met Ozabel, he did not find anything interesting about him. But at the end of the story, he was devastated with his witty mind and idea. So that also we are going to see in this story. Now, one minute. Interesting character, two secret agents, and one reporter. Now, let us find out what happened in the story. Midnight visitor. What does it mean? Who came to visit someone? That also at midnight. Very scary. Let us see. Ozabel did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Now you know who is Fowler, so you will be able to read that about whom we are talking about. Okay. Following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Ozabel had a room, Fowler felt let down. It was a small room on the sixth and top floor, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. Now, as I told you that this story is about a secret agent, obviously he is expecting a report. What happened? Ozabel was supposed to spend the evening for an interview with a writer named Fowler. And when Fowler met him, What was his feeling? That is very clearly written here. That Fowler felt that Ozabel did not look like a secret agent at all. Why? Did not fit any description. As I told you, now we all know that why he is not strong, he is not smart, he is not fit. Hmm? Following him down the musty corridor of a gloomy French hotel. Now he was following, so as I told you that Fowler has come to meet Ozabel because now he wanted to write a detective story. And for that he needed to meet a real detective. So when he came to meet him, he was following him. That's why he is following him, Ozabel, to his room through a smelly, gloomy. Here, a gloomy word has been used to personify that entire thing. Gloomy French hotel where Ozabel had a room. So he was going through a smelly and a bit scary, gloomy, dark. Gloomy here also means dark corridor. His room was on the top floor, which was the sixth floor of the hotel. Now remember, this is going to be important. So you have to keep it in your mind that this hotel has 6 floors and Ozabel's room was on the top floor. And scarcely a setting for romantic adventure. Now, what does this mean? Romantic adventure. You know, this has been used gloomy, dark, scary. Romantic adventure here, it means that whatever he might be imagining, that what kind of place he will have, or what kind of interesting experience he will have, that he felt that he is not going to have this. Okay, and he is not going to have any kind of interesting experience which he thought that while meeting Ozabel, a secret agent, he thought, he imagined in his mind that he unfortunately is not going to have. So that romance with adventure. Okay, so that unthinkable experience, that interesting experience he is not going to have because neither he found Ozabel fit in his description of secret agent, nor he found the place where he was staying suitable for this all kind of adventure. Ozabel was, for one thing, bad, very bad, and then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German passably, he had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. Now, let us know a little bit about Ozzy. First of all, his physical feature. He is fat, very fat, an obese man. And if you are very fat, it is difficult for you to be, strong also and very quick also. Okay, you cannot be like that. So very first thing that actually disappointed Fowler that Ozabel is not physically fit to be a secret agent. समझ रहे हो ना? सबसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर को ये शॉक लगा कि ओजाबेल शर्लक होम्स की तरह या फिर और भी जो हमारे सीक्रेट एजेंट कैरेक्टर्स दैट ही हैज सीन एंड वॉच इन द मूवीज और रेड इन द नॉवेल्स, ही इज नॉट लाइक देम. क्योंकि उनको क्या होना चाहिए? बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग, वेरी फर्म, बहुत ही लीन एंड थिन एंड स्मार्ट, बट ही इज नॉट लाइक दैट. Then there was his accent. अब accent की story क्या है? That you will go to know about it. That yeah, this Ozabel, his accent was American, although he had been living in Paris for the last 20 years and could speak a bit of French and German. So one thing is clear, that Ozabel is not neither French nor German. He is an American. Maybe 20 years back, he came to this place for, maybe just in order to do this work like detective. He was quite interested. Even though after spending 20 years in these places, he can speak French and German passably. Passably means normally, not very nicely. थोड़ा बहुत, little bit, just well enough, tolerant करने वाला, थोड़ा बहुत. He had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston. So one thing is clear, that Ozabel did not belong to this place. Okay, he is neither French nor German. He is from Boston. Boston kahan hai? America. So 20 years ago, when he decided to shift, और वैसे भी this is the job of secret agent. They did not remain at one place. उनका काम ही ऐसा है that they have to keep on moving from one place to another so that their work will be nicely executed. That is very important for them. क्योंकि secret agent का काम कोई एक जगह तो है नहीं. It is not an official work. They have to be very attentive. They have to move from one place. You would have seen in the movies. बहुत सारे movies आते हैं, and we all love to watch these type of movies. So they cannot remain at one place. 20 years back, whatever was the reason, for the sake of work, for the sake of job, he came to from Boston to Paris. Paris, although he learned French and German, but that was also first was काम चलाओ. Okay, and still the American accent was on his tongue. वो क्योंकि German और French में सब एक twist होता है ना. We are Hindi people, हम लोग हिंदी बोलते हैं, तो even if we are trying our level best, but we cannot speak English like Americans. उनका एक tongue अलग हो जाता है, या if any other language you will see. So that accent is inborn, वो रहेगा. Anyway, he says, "You are disappointed," Ozabel said busily over his shoulder. Now, Ozabel, since he was a secret agent, very easily he can read the facial expression of any person. So, very simply he said, "Okay, you are disappointed. I don't think you are very happy to meet me and to see me like this. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy, dealing in espionage, and danger. You wished to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols, trucks, and the wine." Now, you know what he is saying. Espionage is मतलब होता है spying, okay? And envisioned, imagine, in future the possibility, visualize, and present is visualize. So now he is saying, "Oh, you are not very happy to see me. You are disappointed." Okay? So I know that you are going to meet a secret agent, a spy agent who had been definitely dealing with danger, crime scenes, drugs. But instead of that, you started, visualizing mysteries figure in the night, okay? And the crack of pistols, drugs, wine. मतलब वो जो movies में हम देखते हैं ना, whenever we are talking about a secret agent, so we just imagine, we started visual imagery start हो जाती है. That say things will be like this, something very scary, something very mysterious. You will meet people like this, but oh, you saw nothing. You found a man who is quite obese, did not fit your description. Okay, and I know you are a writer, young and romantic. Means you are. यहाँ पे फिर से romance का romantic word का एक ही meaning नहीं होता है. There are different meanings. So you are young and energetic. You want to write about something very interesting, but instead of that, you are so disappointed to see me and to see that where I am staying, a very horrible, very boring place. Okay. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man. Sloppy here means carelessly dressed, not smartly dressed. Fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, gets only a prosaic telephone call. Prosaic, normal telephone call, making an appointment in his room. You have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself. Chuckled means laughed quietly, okay, himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. So he's saying, I know you are very disappointed. You are actually disappointed because neither you get something exciting, you did not witness any danger, you did not witness any crime scene or drugs or anything extraordinary. Rather, you have to spend the evening in a music hall with an old, badly dressed, extremely obese fat man who used traditional methods for making the information move to one place to another. यहाँ इस line को देखो. Instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties. बड़ा secret movies में तुम देखते होगे ना, very beautiful girl will come and she will simply pass a slip. वो slip पे message लिखा होता है code words में, and then they used to slip those messages into the hand of the whoever is the person. But instead of that, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? You are disappointed to see that I'm getting information through a normal telephone calls. तो बहुत बोरिंग हो गया, nothing very exciting. Generally we used to expect exciting thing. And then he started laughing. So he says that instead of having beautiful ladies delivering the interesting messages to him, he might be disappointed to see that simple things are going on. He's getting simple phone calls, and this entire thing will actually bore you. And obviously, even Fowler did not find it interesting. He thought that he will meet a detective, something, something very scary will happen, something very interesting or exciting will happen. But nothing happened. First of all, he was disappointed to see the physical appearance of the man. And secondly, he was disappointed to see that where is he staying? A bold, very old hotel room, very dark, very negative vibes were coming. And then he has to spend the entire evening with that man, and nothing excited happened. कोई भी excitement वाला चीज नहीं हुआ, सब कुछ बहुत boring रहा. बहुत ना तो कोई बहुत beautiful ladies आके उसको messages slip की, बस एक normal phone call he has received. That's all. So that, and सबसे interesting बात है कि Fowler is experiencing this thing. He's not speaking, but Ozabel understood everything. Now this is, you can say that Ozabel is quite a mature person. बहुत ही mature भी है, बहुत ही smart भी है, and yes, he can easily read the faces of the people. And that is why he has come to this conclusion. वो बहुत easily conclusion पे आया है. So in this manner, okay? Now, what happened thereafter? You will see. In the next class, we will discuss that what was the interesting thing that made Fowler understood, okay, and believe that yes, Fozabel is genuinely a very talented secret agent. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue the chapter in the next class. Go through all the difficult words. See, a lot of difficult words are here. I would like you to note it down and to write its meaning in your copies so that you will be able to learn some new words. Okay, children?